I'm Shams Qureshi, a fourth-year student at Ziauddin Speech Language and Hearing Sciences College. Our degree is spread over 4 years, which has 2 years of experimental work and 2 years of theoretical work. Our degree also has a dual degree, which has speech therapy and audiology both in it. Audiology is there are a lot of tests that have been taking place in the clinic with audiology, like PTA, BERA, ABR, and we also go to different institutions and work with other mentors to learn more about audiology. While speech therapy is an umbrella term that has a lot of other disorders that come under it, like voicing, swallowing. There's a lot of language disorders and artic disorders also. All together, we've been learning with our supervisors and our mentors, which have really helped us learn a lot of new things in this course. And hopefully that will help us work better when we get into our professional lives from hereafter. Thank you.